we are going to look how to input date values in Excel. So I am going to open the document which I already created in my previous videos. So click File, Open and select the file. Dates typically contain three aspects: day, month and year. I am going to edit these months into date format. In order to edit, double-click the cell which you want to edit. Double-click leads to enters into the cell. Now I can edit. I edit this cell as January 2022. I only enter the first three letters of the month. Press Tab key to jump to the next cell. Now there is a change is happened. They are now right aligned. This is happened to numeric values. We discussed about the numeric values in Excel in the previous video. If you didn't see that, click here to see that video. So dates are treated as numeric values. If I double click inside the cell, we can see that the date format, and also we can see that in the formula bar. Now I select B3 to D3 and click Home tab. And go to the number section. Click this drop down arrow and there is many options here. Scroll down and click More Number Format. In the category, select Date. Select which one you want. Or we can custom dates. Click Custom. I'm going to add YYY format. And click OK. Now the date format is changed. So this is how we can enter date values in MS Excel. Now I am going to save the video. Click File and Save, or press Ctrl+S for save.